All right, so how do you start the intermittent fasting lifestyle? Well, the first thing that you need to decide is what 8-hour window is going to work best for you. Now in this video, I'm going to use my own example of what works best for me to guide you in setting up your own time frame that's going to fit your schedule. Now I know that some of you maybe don't have the same luxuries that I have when it comes to being able to choose when you wake up and when you work out. But just know that whatever works best for your schedule is going to be the best option for you. In order for you to be successful, this can't disrupt your everyday life too much. So on a side note, now if you're not exercising in the morning just because you're quote unquote lazy, then I want you to really consider it because it really is the best time to do so. Now there's going to be 16 hours in the day that you are not eating. And to make that the easiest that we can, we want you sleeping for half of that time. Makes sense, right? So in a perfect world, you will stop eating 4 hours before you go to bed, and then you wake up, you will wait 4 hours before you eat. Now for me, I have what I call the 11-7 rule. I eat my calories from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. and I sleep from 11 p.m. until 7 a.m. I have a whole video on fat burning and how to get the most out of it, but for now, your best bet is to try to exercise in the morning during the 4-hour time period that you're still fasting. It is also best that you eat within an hour after your workout to preserve muscle. And on a side note, you want to drink some BCAAs right before your workout, and also make sure your post-workout meal, or shake in my case, has about 20 grams of protein in it. I'm a very big proponent for people only eating 3 meals a day, like the good old days, do you remember? So for me, I have breakfast right at 11 a.m., my lunch is around 3:30 p.m., and then my dinner is right around 7 p.m. Again, I have a video explaining the benefits of doing this for your hormones, but just know that it's best for you to eat a substantial meal. Be full, stay satisfied for a few hours, get hungry, and then eat again. So in a nutshell, here's what you need to do. Figure out how many hours after you wake up and before you go to sleep that will be your hours of not eating. Now, I can't express the importance of how much good sleep is for a lean body, so try your best to get 8 hours at night. But one thing I want to mention is that it's really counterproductive to eat right before you go to bed. So you have to leave at least 2 hours of not eating before you retire for the night. Once you know the 8 hours that you're going to work for your schedule, it's best that you try your hardest to schedule your workout in the morning. And if at all possible, eating within an hour after your workout, which will be the first of 3 meals for the next 8 hours. Now, is that clear as mud? Good.